Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. My son and I just started watching the new Star Wars series on disneyplus, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and man, what a treat it was so far. We haven't seen all the episodes yet, but Ewan McGregor really kills it as Obi-Wan Kenobi, and I thought it was a fun idea to dedicate a video to this great series and to draw Obi-Wan Kenobi. Let's go! Obi-Wan Kenobi is an American television miniseries created for the streaming service Disney+. It is part of the Star Wars franchise, beginning 10 years after the events of Star Wars Episode 3 Revenge of the Sith, and stars Ewan McGregor as a title character, reprising his role from the Star Wars prequel trilogy. McGregor was excited to play a version of the character closer to Alec Guinness's portrayal from the original Star Wars trilogy than his own younger version, with Kenobi beginning the series broken, faithless and beaten, having somewhat given up. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. The story takes place 10 years after the events of Star Wars Episode 3, in which the Jedi were destroyed by Order 66 and Obi-Wan Kenobi's apprentice Anakin Skywalker became the Sith Lord Darth Vader. Kenobi is in hiding on the planet Tatooine, watching over Anakin's son Luke, when he is called on a mission to rescue Anakin's daughter Leia, after she is kidnapped by the Galactic Empire's Jedi hunting Inquisitors in a plot to draw Kenobi out. This leads to a confrontation between Kenobi and Darth Vader. And guys, would you like me to draw more Star Wars characters in the near future? Let me know what characters you would like me to draw in the comment section. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is thinking time. Here we go. Hey, you! Yes, you! Would you like to own a sticker or a print or a t-shirt or a coffee mug with my art on it? Well, from now on, that's possible. I opened a webshop on Redbubble. Redbubble is a global online marketplace for print-on-demand products based on user-submitted artwork. So I upload my art and they will print it for you on a wide range of cool products and gadgets. This way you can get yourself some original designs and support me as an artist at the same time. I've put a link in the description if you want to take a look, but you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm already very honored that you are here watching my video, and you can also support me for free by subscribing to my channel or just liking this video. Now back to making art. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Obi-Wan Kenobi, and are there some other Star Wars characters you would like me to draw as well? Please let me know in the comment section. And if you guys liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye.